My name is Arturo Alvarez. I'm from Mexico. I'm a newcomer to PEI, and as a first home buyer, it was hard to take that step. So I contacted Angel. I found a lot of his information on the internet, and he's a very experienced realtor and has many awards here. From the beginning to the end of the negotiation of closing the deal, it was very helpful. He answered to all my questions and concerns, and I'm very happy with my new home. And in the future, I hope to make business with him again. This is the second time that we close a deal. This time we have another 8 offers, so he was really good closing this deal for me, and I'm very, very happy. So I hope to make business in the future with him. Next week is my birthday, so it has been the best present I received. I'm bringing my mom home, so it's gonna be really nice, and I'm very excited about this. And I have my kids here. I'm starting to make some home improvements. Also in that part, Angel's advice had been really helpful. And I'm starting to invest in my home. And I hope in the future to, seeing this as an investment, to keep investing in PEI Realtor market. I see the future with hope. Now I have more space. I'm bringing also my dog with me. And I'm very happy about this.